The Magic School Song Generator is for both teachers and for students. So let's get started. I'm going to click on Student because I want this to be a student tool. I'm going to scroll down until I find that tool. There it is on the right-hand side. I click on it, and now I need to add a little bit of information in here. So I'm going to change the grade level. I'm going to change that to 5th grade in here. There we go. The song topic is going to be mixtures and solutions. I want to know the attributes of both of those. So we're going to put that information in here. I'm going to put in here exactly what I want to be done with it, mixtures and solutions, and put that in there. You notice I can add files. I can also put it's going to be by Taylor Swift. So let's see what happens here. Oh wait, it's asking me what song by Taylor Swift do I want to put this to. So I'm going to say Shake It Off, and let's see what it gives me. And it's giving me a whole song that if we could sing it straight to Shake It Off. How awesome is that? And my students can do this too to help them to remember things. This is a really fun tool to use with students. They really like it. I'm going to go ahead and save that to the room. I'm going to choose a room that's existing. That's going to be my D27 room. Go ahead and save to the room. Now that tool is in the room and the students will be able to use that. Here's my URL that I can put into my Google Classroom to share out with my students. Piece of cake. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you get more videos about Magic School.